Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's video. Dear audience, do you know that every tree, plant or flower you see started from a tiny seed? And the process by which seed grow into a new plant is called seed germination. Today we will discuss the process of seed germination. Let's see how it grows. First of all, we will discuss the definition of seed germination. Seed germination is the process by which a seed sprouts and begins to grow into a new plant. In simple wording, seed germination is the process by which seed grow and develop into a new plant. Conditions needed for seed germination are water, oxygen, temperature and light. If any of the condition is missing, the seed cannot germinate properly. Let's discuss the role of each factor that are required for seed germination. What is the role of water in seed germination? Water activates enzymes for converting food into energy and soften the seed coat so that it can easily rupture. Next is oxygen. Oxygen is needed for respiration to release energy. Temperature control enzyme activity. And suitable or ideal temperature for seed germination is 20 to 30 degrees centigrade for most of the seed. And the last condition is light. Some seeds like lettuce need light to grow, while others seed grow in darkness. As we buried the seed in soil and there is complete darkness, all seed can grow in darkness. Next, before proceeding towards seed germination, we have to discuss the internal structure of seed, internal parts of seed that are involved in seed germination. Number one part is radicle, and this is the part that convert into root. Next part is plumule. This part forms shoot of the plant. And cotyledon store or supply food in the seed. It provides food to the growing embryo. And the last part is seed coat. It protects the embryo. It is the hard outer covering outside the seed. Here you can see the simplest diagram of seed. It is seed coat. It is the hard outer covering present outside the seed. It protects the seed and also protects embryo present inside the seed. Plumule is the part of seed that grows into shoot. Radicle grows into root. Endosperm and cotyledon are the stored food present inside the seed. They provide food for growing plant present in the seed. Next we will discuss steps of seed germination. First step of seed germination is imbibition. In this process, seed absorb water and swell. Seed coat rupture and is ready to grow. Second step is activation of enzymes. In this step, stored food in seed broken down into energy, and this energy is used for seed germination and for the growth of plant. In third step, radicle is converted into root and plumule is converted into shoot and new plant is grown. This diagram shows the first step of seed germination. Seed absorb water from tiny hole present in the seed and it swell up and seed coat rupture. In the second step, enzymes convert stored food in the seed into energy and this energy is used for seed germination. In the third step, radicle of the seed grows into root. Root embeds itself in the soil and now seed is ready to grow into a new plant. In the fourth step, shoot is developed from the plumule and new plant is grown. This plant embeds itself in the soil and it is ready to grow. If we combine all the steps, we can get this diagram. In first step, seed absorb water and swells. In the second step, enzymes convert food into energy and this energy is used for seed development. In the third step, the root comes out from the radicle and in the fourth step, shoot also grow and the plant is fully developed. There are two types of seed germination, epigeal germination and hypogeal germination. Epigeal is made up of two words, epi mean above or outside and geal means soil. In this type of germination, cotyledon also come outside the soil with the shoot. And in hypogeal, hypo mean below. So in this germination, cotyledons stay below the soil or underground and doesn't come out with the shoot. Here you can see the difference of epigeal germination and hypogeal germination. In epigeal germination, cotyledon also come above the soil, and in hypogeal germination, cotyledon remain inside the soil. Next we will discuss importance of germination. Germination leads to new plant and new crops. Without germination, new plants and crops can't grow. It is important for agriculture and all food supply of all living things depend on the seed germination. Seed germination also help in reforestation and ecosystem balance. Why some seeds fail to germinate? If seed is old or damaged, it cannot grow properly. If it is lack of water or lack of oxygen. If you grow seed without water or without presence of oxygen, it cannot grow properly. And if there is too much heat or too much cold, temperature is not normal, then seed also can't grow. And the last one is poor soil quality. If your soil is not fertile, then also seed can't grow properly. In the end, isn't it amazing how life begins from tiny seed? Try this experiment at home and watch the magic of nature. I hope you have understand the topic of seed germination. Like, share and subscribe for more cool science videos. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.